shows on this slide. Notice how CAD site at the center, surrounded by multiple engineering tools and disciplines. The visualization highlights an important reality of a modern engineering. Professional engineers do not work inside a single software package. They operate within interconnected digital ecosystem. Let's start with a CAD. CAD creates the digital presentation of the product. It becomes the foundation for almost every downstream engineering activity. Now look at the FEA. Once the CAD model exists, structural engineers use finite element analysis to evaluate stresses, deflection, fatigue behavior, and safety margins. Next, notice CFD. Computational fluid dynamics allows engineers to study airflow behavior around the vehicles and optimize aerodynamic performance before physical testing begins. Move towards the manufacturing engineering. The CAD model now becomes production information. Engineers develop fabrication plans, machining process, welding procedure, and assembly strategies. Then we have testing and validation. Physical prototypes generate data that verify whether simulation accurately predict real-world performance. Notice the connection to data analytics and telemetry. Modern race vehicles generate enormous amount of information. Engineers analyze this data to identify performance opportunity, detect failure, and improve future design. Top of the ecosystem, you can see a project management. This is often overlooked by the student. Even the best engineering solution can fail. Budget, suppliers, and resources are not managed effectively. The key lesson from this slide is that engineering is no longer isolated. Every discipline influences every other disciplines. A design change in a CAD may affect manufacturing. A manufacturing change may influence testing. A testing results may trigger a redesign. This interconnected ecosystem is what allows professional organizations to develop increasingly sophisticated products while reducing development time and risk. The future engineer is not simply a CAD expert. The future engineer understands how every tool contributes to the complete product development cycles. Now that we have explored how professional engineers develop product, it's time to apply this to a real world engineering challenges.